Power Trick or Trade. Alright people, I'm going to be making this Amazon video here to demonstrate how I help people with different account sizes. And for example, this Amazon options plan. Now Amazon, if you were trying to buy shares of Amazon, you can imagine how much it costs to buy a stock that's $1,500, okay? However, I gave a plan here, and I recommended people to buy 1 to 5 options, right? Now, if you bought, 1 to 5 options as an example. Of course, a person could have bought, depending on their account size, more. But I gave this to show that people with small account sizes can make great money following my advice, even with large priced options in a safe manner. I wanted to demonstrate this now. So basically, people, on March the 6th, I posted this plan, and I'm just demonstrating my analysis skills. We are in March over here, and there was a lot of fear in the market. News and fear about anyways, I'm not going to get into the FA fundamentals, but basically, everybody, if you know, we are in March 2000. This video is being made March 2018, March the 9th, and that week, a few days before this Friday move, there was a lot of fear. However, I don't go by news. I go by my what's called big picture thinking, technical analysis skills. Anyways, let me show you what I said to my followers here inside of this locked account called PowerGroupTrades for people that are serious of success. Let me show you what I said, people, and what I did. I want to show you something very unique that I did to demonstrate something beyond what I should be doing for what I'm in this particular account. Alright, so this is the plan I posted inside of PowerGroupTrades. As you can see here, March the 6th of the data of the charts, but posted inside my locked account for my serious follow. You can see where the price was right now. I want to explain this very carefully. As you can see, I told my followers about the March 16 1,550 calls. Okay, so you try buying. Most people cannot afford to buy 100 shares of Amazon, right? And even to try to hold a share, 100 shares of Amazon isn't easy either. However, that's despite the point. I gave a way of having people to make large sums of money safely with $2,000 to $10,000 down. And let's see the outcome here, though, of this plan so far. This is part 1. But basically, I said that we were going to use these March 18 $1,550 options, and the cost was, as you can see, $1,760. Okay, now that's not what we paid because we have to wait for confirmation. Right now, these confirmed a little bit differently. What I do is called adaptive analysis. So I had to. We entered based on the market happened to open a little lower and show the power, and so we confirmed a little differently than what I explained here. However, I did post the confirmation and gave the heads up inside of Power Group Trade. And not only that, the options fluctuated. In other words, there was a $300 fluctuations in the options that day, and so a person could have bought them even cheaper if they didn't get in on the confirmation. So it's not about the entry point of confirmation, it's what the direction was, the big picture, and what happened. And there was a lot of fear when I posted this plan as well. And this is why I'm demonstrating this very unique thing here. So let me go forward here. Okay, so I exit the plan. Now we're going to go up here. We're going to go up here, and we're going to go take a look here. I explain about other stuff in here, but this is inside what I write things and explain. So here it is. On March the 7th, I said, Amazon confirming with the March 16, 1550, because you can see 56 likes, right? There were some comments here. Let's see if the comments are opened up here in these now. You see some Dexter. Anyways, people are and this is a locked account. 56 likes with just a little bit of followers in this account, right? But I have more action in my accounts than people with much larger accounts. I decimate. I'm the big picture expert. Anyways, these are for serious people that are inside of this group. If you want to be serious, I'm going to show you what to do. But basically, I said they confirmed, right? Now, I said Amazon needs room and can move fast. as long as it stays above 1534, then 1532 is super bullish. Okay, this stock can whip 7 to 8 points. Now this did whip a little lower, but look what I want to read this, what I did here. The move for Amazon may not be today, but setting up for tomorrow. Okay, March. This is exactly what I said. Okay. Also, keep in mind my stops are 12, risking $750 per options to make 4K to 6K per option. This has been a super special update, so I am showing people explicitly how serious I was on this. I said March 7th here also. High odds we win is the follow-up to this. Okay, here's another question. It goes, everything is fine as Amazon was pulling down. With Amazon, truth be told, above 1526 is another key point. Like I said, with a strong Facebook and WDC, Amazon can move up powerfully when it wants, and and is set up to do so. My stops remain 12. Options are 1680. So basically, around that time I wrote it, it bounced. It already bounced when I made that thing. I am assuring everybody not to worry. To show you, Karma, I was doing a babysitting action here. Okay, unlike anybody else out there. All right, now, sort of like that. Okay, but just to assure my serious followers. Now I'm laughing here. Aha, Amazon looking strong, bounce off that 50. Anyways, point. You see my point, people? They talk about BA and Goldman Sachs and all that stuff. I'm not going to talk about that in this video. All right, so now look at March 8th, Amazon looking good. I'm loving it. Now, March 8th, we didn't get the thing. Apple showing power is a good sign for the market. I'm also now the market was choppy on March the 8th, right, people? I am assuring people that everything is okay. Hold positions. Okay, nobody, and I mean no service can. And I did a listen, win after win within less than 5 picks. Okay, not 20, 30 like a lot of services. Wake up and smell the coffee if you're watching this video. Okay, those people are in big. A lot of these services are in big trouble when the big picture expert steps out with the service. They're in big trouble. You have no idea what I have in store. I'm coming to take over. All right, now. Here I am. Now this is 10 hours after. This is March the 9th, by the way. Okay, because this is March. This is 10 hours right now. Now I'm making this video on March the 9th. Around 7:15 p.m. right, which is about 9 hours, 10 hours something. I said, Amazon, I want to ensure to catch big gains, so my stops are 22. Now we never even touched that. We never went even below $24 per option, by the way. Then Amazon options are 27 now, people, right? So you can say, and it's going up higher. Here I am, 5 hours later. So if you go 5 hours, you've minus 7:15 p.m. minus 5 hours. That's the time I wrote where the options were at 30.10. Of course, they went even higher. Okay. So my point is, people, Amazon go much higher, still move stops to 24. Now those are large stops, right? But I mean, this is just an example, just to show you how serious I am. And my idea was I want to catch large gains in Amazon. Or I'm going to take small gains. We're not going to lose. We're going to catch what we deserve. The stock does favor hitting 1,500. Well, you saw what I wrote over there, to $1,600 per share, which translates to about $4,000 to $6,000 per option. Now, let me show you where the. I'm going to go into my charting program to show you now. Alright, people, so now I'm in my charting program, and here's the options. Now you can see these those just a few days ago on March the 6th. The same options, they were $1,700, and now they closed very strongly, as you can see what Amazon did. We closed at 1,578.89. Now I talked about this when it was at 1,538. We held it with options. I assured my followers of the seriousness of holding it, of key levels, of updates while the market was chopping on March the 8th, and there was a lot of uncertainty. However, the market confirmed all my signals. This is why I'm the big picture expert, and on a Friday, the big picture expert, yours truly, showed everyone why I'm the big picture expert. I proved myself so many times in very difficult situations where there's massive fear. A lot of people just don't understand that it's my the skills I have are just unbeatable out there. I am a billionaire in thinking. Now, anyways, people, I can help. If I can help the small people, can you imagine what I do with the large sums of money? Oh, people don't get it, people. Anyways. And no one makes videos like this showing in the details from start to end, the beginning of a plan, the confirmation, and the end result. So here's the end result so far. And listen, I'm expecting higher. I'm going to make a part 2 of the video, people. So stay tuned for it. And these options are going to be going to be close to $4,000 to $6,000 per option if everything goes well. But right now it is still a win, okay? But the odds favor that Amazon wants to come and pop up here quickly to the 1600, like I explained. This is why I chose the March 16 options. I knew this was going to happen quickly and that I wanted to give it some sort of time. And I also went with money that options were pretty close to. Okay, so we're ready. We are $28 in the money. Okay, people, in a very safe manner. The stock, the options went against us about $300 for about, I don't know, a very short period of time. Okay, people, so there you have it. All right, people, this is a bit long, but you see this video here, this pin, I'm at PowerGroupTrades. See this pin tweet video over here? Okay, pin tweet video. You click on it, it explains how to be and stay a group member on PowerGroupTrades. Okay, now. All right, people, welcome to PowerTargetTrades. I suggest if you're new to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I do live streams. I actually made a live stream, and people, I could go on and on and on. What I said on Wednesday, of course, Amazon was one of my focuses too. But I talked about the SPY, and I actually posted a winning SPY plan right in front of the gate, and it did, and I with instructions and everything. If you followed them, you made great money in the SPY. I have to make a video on that as well. But right now, this is the Amazon video. See this created playlist? Study it. Okay, you click on it. There's tons. You study it. You've never seen anything like this before. This is also check out my website. I have some key videos there for you to see as well. People, I am the big picture expert. Study, you will not be disappointed. This is for the people that are serious for success. These are for the good people. You know, the good people will always will do whatever will do what it takes to succeed. Will follow my instructions, and will gladly ride along with me in making the dollar bills. I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe manually. I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. You can see a picture of me. You're going to see me give you a message at the end of this video. Let's see what I say. PowerGroupTrades Saturn here, the big picture expert. You want to study my creative playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on PowerTargetTrades. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.